Hello everyone, we are here today at Airdrie Dodge Jeep, home of the $10,000 giveaway. What does that mean? Well, with any vehicle purchase, you're going to be entered into our monthly draw that month for your chance to win $10,000. Now back to the start of the show. If you're looking for all the capabilities of a full-size truck, you're going to get that and more in just a bit more of a compact version. Here we have this gorgeous 2016 GMC Canyon 4x4 to show you. This is the Shaker edition, which means it has all sorts of extras, including a level kit, new rims and tires. This has been fully safetied and inspected, and it's only had one previous owner. We're going to take you through the interior, but if you have any questions or just want to get this on the road for a test drive, please don't hesitate to give us a call. So helping you in, you do get this factory remote with your unlock, lock, and remote start, as well as your panic button. I just want to give you a quick close-up of these gorgeous wheels and tires. And then as we head on inside, you do have a beautiful dark gray interior, power mirrors, windows, and locks. Nice wood detailing on there, lots of storage, great molded Husky mats keeping everything in great condition, and premium cloth throughout. On your steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth and hands-free and dash selection on the right. On the left, cruise control, and behind my fingers there, you do have audio-mounted controls. Fully automatic headlights and your 4x4 options. The current mileage sits at 149,819 kilometers, and then you do have a menu of information you can scroll through. Take a second to check that out with your sales advisor. Moving on over, you have your ignition area and then into your entertainment center. So AM, FM, and satellite capability for your radio options. And we'll go back into your home screen. You can also connect through auxiliary and USB, so lots more options to go through. You also have your backup camera. Take a second to explore that as well a bit further with your sales advisor. Climate control with air conditioning. Down below that, you have a few more driving options. Your media ports are tucked away, as well as a 12-volt outlet. Nice clean shifting area. And then in your center console, you have a couple of different spaces, including a top shallow area. We'll give you a quick pan through on the passenger side. Again, great all-weather mats on that side as well. Glove compartment, up above illuminated vanity mirrors, and sunglass storage. As you head into the back, everything back here is in excellent condition. It is a 60-40 split. You have 3 seats, an armrest, and 2 cup holders. Underneath here, you do have some upgraded sound equipment, so you'll be able to rock some good tunes. The seats do fold flat as well if you need a little bit of extra versatility back there. The back bed is lined for added durability, and you have tie-down hooks in the 4 corners. You as well have a tonneau cover on here. So as you can see, this is a super fun truck. This is going to fit in your garage awesome as well. So if you have any questions or just want to get this on the road for a test drive, please don't hesitate to give us a call. We'd love to give you a hand with any of that. We'd like to thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.